Is your Optus internet down? Let's troubleshoot. First, check for widespread outages. Visit outage.optus.com.au or use the My Optus app and enter your postcode or service ID. If there's a confirmed outage, Optus may offer compensation. If no outage is reported, examine your modem lights. A steady green power light means the modem is on. A green internet or online light indicates a stable connection. If the internet light is red or flashing, there's likely a network or modem issue. For Wi-Fi problems, check the Wi-Fi light. If it's dim or off, it suggests a router problem. Try power cycling your modem. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves minor glitches. Still having trouble? Your DNS settings might be the culprit. DNS translates website names into IP addresses. Optus uses its own DNS servers by default, but switching to alternative servers like Google's or Cloudflare's can sometimes improve speed and reliability. Access your modem's admin panel by opening your web browser and going to 192.168.1.1. Look for the DNS settings section and enter the new server addresses. Once in the admin panel, find the DNS settings and enter the new server addresses from Google or Cloudflare. You can also try flushing your computer's DNS cache by opening the command prompt and typing ipconfig flush DNS. If problems persist, contact Optus support for further assistance, ensuring your modem firmware is up to date. Remember that while changing DNS can help, it should be done cautiously to avoid compatibility issues.